Hey guys, so we went out and bought some $7 packs of backpacks. Backpacks?
Fat Packs at Stadium Club, 2025 Stadium Club.
2025 Stadium Clubs. So Mom and Joe went out and got it.
Mom
Yeah.
and Joe.
Mom and Amelia went out and got it. Yeah. Joe, Amelia. Joe and Amelia went out and got it. Dad didn't. Brendan did not go, and Brendan stayed home. All right. So these are the packs that we can have. We have each one. So I'm gonna pick a pack, and I'm gonna go ahead and pick the middle one, and then we'll see what we have. So as you can see, open the pack up. If I can even open it. If you hear noise in the background, that's because our son is going crazy. All right. There we go. Right off the back, I got a Yondon Alvarez. I got a Ken Griffey Jr. I got Lucas Shield. I got Yonder Diaz. Matt Olson. Garrett Cole. These are some interesting looking cards. Connor Norby. Mick Kurtz. Mike Lazaz.
Pizza.
Brendan Stahl, please y'all. Michael Harris. Mason Wen. Jason Jackson.
What?
Moses. Will Smith.
What's
Jackson.
Oh.
Jackson Job.
Oh, Tiger.
Will Smith. Suzuki. Padres. Vladimir Jr. Frank. All right. Corey Seager.
Oh.
Logan Evans.
Thank you.
Tariq Subel.
Tariq.
Tariq Subel. Josh Naylor. Dylan Cruz. Why y'all here? Soto. Sonny Gray. Bryce Harper. In case of an emergency, I got Dylan Cruz. Baldwin. Larry Walker. Maddox. McLean. No, McLean, yeah. Oh, it's an interesting one. Wyatt Langford. Yes, this is when he's getting splattered with Gatorade. A Ritrio Hall of Fame. A Jackson Holiday card.
Oh, is that the one with his glove on his head while he's signing?
Yes, it is. It's a Jackson Holiday with his glove on his head. And the last card that I got was a blank.
It's the back.
It's the back. All right. So Amelia's up next.
I won't hear any more noise because of that one.
Yeah, you won't hear any more noise because Brendan. But yes, I have a. So that's my card. Jackson Holiday with the card on. Sorry, the zoom's a little bit better. That's Brendan's hand. So, all right, my cards are going to stay here. That's Amelia. If you hear the noise in the background, that is Brendan getting ready for battle. Okay, we're going to
Brendan. Can't have this.
What do you want to say?
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
Who's your favorite player on the Orioles?
School hungry.
No, who's your favorite player?
Hungry.
You're hungry?
Yeah.
No, who's your favorite baseball player?
Who's your favorite baseball player on the Orioles? Go O's. Go Quest.
Yeah, go O's, go Blue Crabs. But what's your favorite player?
Go Quest.
No, is it Colton, Adley, or Gunner? Which one is it?
Tree. Hey, school hungry.
Okay, here you go. All right, Mommy,
He said his favorite player was Colton.
All right, Mommy, help me.
My favorite player is Adley.
Come on, Brendan.
I'm right now in an Adley shirt. Oh, I need you to help me open cards.
Bath?
Yep.
Brendan?
Bath?
Bath? Come on.
No,
let's go.
please.
No. You come back. That's a bat.
No, McQueen, please.
Okay.
Do you want baseball cards, Brendan?
You want baseball cards too?
Yeah.
All right. So Halloween, Easter, maybe we'll get you your first very maybe.
Really?
I said maybe.
We just did it. I'm joking. I'm doing that other way. I don't make them. blah 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 blah. I can't open it. There you go. I got it. Alright. Oh no, I'll be right back.
You're not gonna have to edit that part, right? Yeah, put it right away.
Going. Okay. Can I
She was so excited she ran away.
Plus, I have his shirt on too. I have his shirt on basically.
Okay.
Like this. Allie Watchman. That's right, my name. Jimmy Mullins. Big Papi. Max Soldier. Oh, this is cool. Corbin Carroll. I like nice little card.
Yeah.
Aaron Holland.
What?
I don't know.
Those pull-ups, where are they?
Whatever this is.
Up on top of the shelf. Behind you.
Wilson. Ben Wilson. Shane Bieber. Labor Torres. Robert Shett. George Brett. Shane McClanahan. Jackson Joe. Brian Wu. Moses, well, his last name is Joel Constantin. Tomoyuki Sagano. Paul Skeens. We have a Christian Campbell one. God. David Fiesta. Francisco Lindor. Shantia Simpson. October Betty. Spencer Schwab, Johnny Maxwell, Cal Ripken Jr. Yo, what the heck? Corbin Burns, PCA. Oh, look at this Paul Skeens card. Look at this Paul Skeens card, guys. Matt McClanahan, Daddy McCorner, Reddit Low, Jose Ramirez, Max Muncy on the Athletics, Luis Cassiano, Garrett Crochet, Chase, whatever his name is, and then a blank card. So I need to organize this. I'll talk to y'all, but I'm away from home. But yes, I got multiple photo cards, and I'm super excited about that card. Favorite play right here, though. I'm leaving an alley, so I'm gonna make sure y'all look quick. Come on, see him? Number 35. Play 5. Hey, play 5. Play 5. I love that. Show me. I got Jersey home. Okay, well, I don't care. I'll talk to y'all like in a minute. I think it's from next stuff. Hey mom, did these go to jail of what card I got?
What? You got a Cal Ripken?
Yeah, you can have it. I already have enough Cal Ripken cards.
It's okay. No Westie.
I got it, and then I also got a Tommy with this gun on one. Hi, JJ.
Oh, what a sweet cat. Okay.
See?
Tomo. Okay.
Got a big puppy card. Also.
Okay.
That's really nice of mine.
Alright. My turn.
Yep. I think I gave up all the Oreos cards. Alright. Let me know. It's about on top of those, yeah.
And you got a Westie and an Adley. That's cool. Oh, that's a nice Westie card.
That one's my favorite out of all of them.
You like the way the Westie looks?
Yeah, I found about this one.
Oh, the Adley card, yes. Of course, the
Look at
Adley
this
card.
smile on his eye.
Oh,
Look at
yeah,
the smile.
he's excited about.
I think it's like a walk-off or something.
It might be a walk-off. That looks
Favorite
like a
card.
walk-off.
Favorite
Favorite card?
No. Favorite, like, card out of that pack.
Yeah.
I have other alley cards I like more.
Okay.
I kind of want to.
Let's see. Cam Smith. Zimmerman.
But you know.
Cole Reagans. So far knows. We'll see.
I don't
Oh, this is probably the same Jordan that Daddy got, probably.
No, this was a little different.
Ooh, the Riley Green. Look at that coloring on that.
Oh, that's
really
cool.
Oh, I got a big poppy.
Yeah, I have a big puppy also. I have multiple big puppy cards.
Oh, Canerco.
You know what we should do sometimes?
Chase Utley.
One of the dirtiest players.
Okay.
Really good at playing.
Nomar Garcia Parra.
Who is that?
Cool. Kodai Senga. Alright. Spencer Strider. And Chase Dolander. That's a very interesting.
Will Smith.
Oh, I thought it was going to be Freddie because of the pose. What's Will Smith?
That was so
Oh, Brent Rooker.
I'm gonna get a Freddie Freeman card.
Alright, Bryce Turang.
Oh yeah, I got that Freddie Freeman card.
Corbin Carroll.
Glove on his head.
With a glove on his head. Mitch Abel. Luis Reyes.
I thought she's left in there. Good time to
Benetindi. Benetindi. Trey Turner.
Oh, she was on.
Yep. Stephen Kwan. Joey Voto.
Oh, she's playing on there.
Saknito.
Hey, maybe for the World Baseball Classic.
I got a Shohei.
Okay.
World Baseball Classic wasn't that year. I wonder if they'll have some World Best Baseball Classics from this year. Luis Robert Jr. Girl, please. Dylan Cruz.
Oh, that's that card.
Yeah, I got that card.
Uh-huh.
Oh, this is the Soto you were yelling about earlier, I'm sure.
Ooh. Got it.
Sonny Gray.
Cardinals? Yeah, that's Cardinals.
Got Tatis.
Oh, I got it. I got it. Oh, no, Elias. And then
Stop.
And then she gets a Jackson Holiday one.
Yuri Perez. Jacob deGrom. Francisco Alvarez. George Brett. Spencer Strider.
I don't know.
Chase Dolander and yep, Austin Riley. No Orioles and really not too many. None backwards. Nothing special. Why do I always, when I pick last, I get the duds?